last year I established a firm as well on my own to do this structural monitoring. So now I just do the testing services. So I have imported all the equipment that I required and I just doing the testing service. So I want to just elaborate my knowledge in this structural monitoring and implement some more modern practice to that one. That's why I just came for this webinar, sorry, not webinar, the workshop. So here I learned a lot. Thanks to the Respect team. Definitely I will be a direct competitor for you in future. you is very inspiring guys. So you show all the ways that how you do the works and all the things. So thanks for that. And I have to thank the management committee, that's a organizing committee as well, for doing this, all helps and everything. Thank you ma'am, especially for the propellant. So I just contacted her to attend this one. So that's why a special thanks for it. And also I have to thank Professor Devin Harris for delivering his modern techniques that he did for the breaches and everything. So in this Dipa cyclone we faced lots of problems related to the breaches. We lost lots of breaches. So I will definitely implement lots of health monitoring based on that one. Thank you sir for that one. Thank you.